Students, today we are starting exercise 11.2. Okay, are you ready with your pair of compass, scale, pencil, eraser, sharpener, etc.? Okay, children, let us start. Children, before we start this topic, we must know tangent to a circle. Page number 207. A tangent to a circle is a line that intersects the circle at one and only one point. At only one point. Okay. Page number 206, chapter 10, children. We will study this chapter in future. But for time being, let us understand. Whenever we have a one line and one circle, there are three possibilities. Either line and circle intersect like this way, or they don't intersect, means intersection is not possible. If intersection is possible, line and circle, it will intersect at A and at B, or it will intersect only point at A of the circle. Meaning is, a line intersects the circle at only one point. Now, this line is known as tangent to a circle or tangent of the circle. Okay, and this point A is known as a point of contact. Okay, children. So now let us study our construction topic. In that we will use the word this tangent. Okay, so tangent is nothing but a line. A particular line intersects the circle, then this line is called a tangent. Of course, in a given plane, children. Okay, in a given plane, this word is written, see here, given in a plane. That is important, children. Exercise 11.2, question number first. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. Okay, children, let us begin this. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm, children. So here I am taking 6 cm radius. Children, this is 6 cm radius. From here you can see. Okay. Now children, circle I will draw. Now children, here you can see 6 cm circle. If I want to adjust in mobile frame, then handwriting or other work you cannot see, children. So I have to do this way. Now children, another it is given from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. So children, this is our center O. From this point we want 10 centimeter away another point P. So children, here I am putting scale 10 centimeter. You can see this is 10 centimeter, children. So this is point P, children. Now you understand the question, children. From this point P, we want two tangents. One tangent this way, another tangent from this here. Meaning is what, children? Here we want to construct a line this way, passing through this circle. It will intersect the circle this way. Similarly, another tangent this way, children. Okay. So we know that, children, when we want to draw a line, we need 2 points. Understood? Suppose we have only one point A. If we want to draw a line, exact line, then here anywhere we want one point B, such that we join them A and B, we can have a line. Similarly, here we want one point on the circles anywhere such that join P and Q, this line will become a tangent to the circle. Okay. So children, you may argue that, sir, put the scale this way and find out one point. No, children, that way we cannot do. So first step is, now let us study. So first step is draw the circle of radius 6 centimeter. Then from this point O, take a point P, 10 centimeter away from the center. Now children, join this point O and P. Okay, we have joined. Next point is draw a perpendicular bisector of OP. Now children, take pair of compass. How to draw? So children, this is 10 centimeter. Okay, so here is a midpoint somewhere. We don't know exact point. Now children, we mean that our scale, these measurements are not there. Unmarked edge, that is known. Now children, more than midpoint, here is a somewhere midpoint. So you take this pair of compass radius, you take more than midpoint measurement. Now from here, this point, draw one arc children, from up, from down children. See, this is up, this is down. Now children, from this point P, draw arc that should intersect this previous arc. So it will intersect here, it will intersect here. Join them. That will be midpoint of your line segment OP. Okay children. Now this midpoint we call it M children. Children, બોર્ડ એક્ઝામમાં આ કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન વર્ષોથી આના જેવા પૂછાઈ આવ્યા છે અને સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને સર્કલના કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન કરવા વધારે ગમે છે. So children, this is midpoint. Now children, take radius OM, means measure this distance. Okay. Now children, draw a circle center M. Now you can see that children, I have drawn a circle from center M to this. Now we have obtained 2 points. One point is here, this intersecting point, we call it, this is B. Any letter you can use it. This is A. Now children, I was telling you that here is a point P, here is a point A. A is on this circle. Now draw a line passing through A and P. That would be our tangent passing from P. Okay children, this is tangent, and from here draw another tangent passing through B and passing through P. So we have constructed, children, two tangents to this given circle. This is our given circle children with center O. Okay. So now children, entire figure you can see I have tried. Now children, we have to find the length of the tangent we have to find. Let us study that. Put your scale children here. Measure distance BP or measure distance AP children. Any distance you can measure. So you can see that it is 8 centimeters. So answer is what? Length of the tangent is 8 centimeter. Okay children. So here, now children, steps homework. Okay, that you can do it. So here children, we have finished question number 1 children. Question 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter and concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Also verify the measurement of actual calculation. Now children, this actual calculation, that work with the help of Pythagoras you can do after learning that. Of course, I will give you hint for that. construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter, children. So children, 4 centimeter circle we draw. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. From a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. So here 6 centimeter we have drawn this, children. This is 6 centimeter. Now children, from this 6 centimeter circle, 6 centimeter circle ના point ઉપરથી 4 centimeter નું જે circle છે એમાં બે tangent આમ draw કરવાના છે. આ આપણું construction કરવાનું છે. સમજાયું? બહુ સિમ્પલ છે. ચલો લેટેસ્ટ સ્ટાર્ટ. પહેલા શું કરવાનું? 4 centimeter નું સર્કલ કરશું, પછી 6 centimeter નું સર્કલ કરશું અને એના કોઈ એક પોઈન્ટ અહીંયા આપણે સિલેક્ટ કરશું. સમજો કે P. એ પોઈન્ટ P સિલેક્ટ થઈ જાય પછી એને આપણે આમ જોડી દઈશું. આનું આપણે અહીંયા મિડ પોઈન્ટ ગોતશું, આવી રીતના અગાઉ કર્યું હતું તેમ. અને પછી બીજું એક સર્કલ આ પોઈન્ટમાંથી આમ કરશું એટલે આપણું કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન પૂરું. ઓકે, ચલો લેટેસ્ટ સ્ટાર્ટ. Now children, you can see that here I have drawn a circle center O. Now children, concentric circle means there are many circles, but for us only 2 circles we have taken. So circles having common center and they are in the same plane, they are known as concentric circle. So here center O. Now we will draw another circle that should be concentric circle, meaning is center same, that is of 6 centimeter radius. Now you can see children, outer circle, this circle is of radius 6 centimeter from O. So we have 2 circles, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Now children, here we take a point P. Any letter you can take. Join OP. Okay. Now children, from point P, construct 2 tangents for this 4 centimeter radius circle. ઓકે, આ જે અંદરનું સર્કલ છે એવું એણે ઇનર સર્કલ એવો વર્ડ નથી યુઝ કર્યો. એણે શું વર્ડ યુઝ કર્યો છે? એ સર્કલ ઓફ રેડિયસ 4 સેન્ટીમીટર. તો આમાંથી અહીંયા ટેન્જન્ટ કરવાનું છે. તો મેથડ આપણે અગાઉ જે કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન કર્યું હતું એ જ મેથડે કરશું આપણે. ચલો, ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ વી વિલ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ મિડ પોઈન્ટ ઓફ ધીસ. ચિલ્ડ્રન, અહીંયા કોઈ ફિક્સ રેડિયસ નથી લેવાની, એટલે એપ્રોક્સિમેટલી રેડિયસ લીધી હશે એટલે મારું અને તમારું કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન એક્ઝેક્ટલી સરખું નહીં થાય. બરાબર? કારણ કે મેં તમને કહ્યું હતું કે અહીંયા મિડ પોઈન્ટ આવે આટલામાં, તો મિડ પોઈન્ટ કરતાં વધારે લેન્થની આ લેવાની. હવે આ કોઈ ફિક્સ રેડિયસ નથી અહીંયાથી અહીંયા સુધીનું, એટલે કોઈક વખતે મારો કટ અહીંયા પણ આવે, અહીંયા પણ આવે, અહીંયા પણ આવે, ગમે ત્યાં આવે. તો એ રીતે કમ્પેર નહીં કરતા તમે. હા, ફ્રોમ પોઈન્ટ P take, it will intersect here. Now children, join these 2 points. Okay, now call it this point M. Now children, take center M, radius O. Take center M, radius OM. Draw a circle. Now children, this is a circle, center M, and it passes through this way. Now children, this point is our B. This point here it intersects it A. Join A to P, join B to P. There will be 2 tangents. So children, this AP is tangent passing through P and A. A is of this 4 centimeter circle, children. This is another tangent passing through P and B. B is of this 4 centimeter radius circle. So children, we have obtained 2 tangents for this circle. Now it is asked that verify measurement by actual calculation. Now, and it is asked to measure the lengths of this tangent. Let us measure it. Now children, you can see that it is 4.5 children, approximately 4.5, 4.4 something. Okay, so length of the tangent is 4.5 centimeter. It is asked that verify by that way. So children, here is a right angle. How and other details you will study in chapter 9. So measure AP square plus BP square is equal to AB square. By Pythagoras you can find that answer. So okay children, understood? Let us proceed next construction. Steps you have to write. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take a 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. Let us understand children question. Draw a circle of 3 cm. So this is rough. And one diameter we draw this way. This is diameter children. Extend this side. This is center. OP should be 7 centimeter. From this direction Q. So OQ is also 7 centimeter. Now children, draw tangent from P to this circle, from here to here another tangent. One tangent from here, another tangent from here. Okay, for that what we will do? Here we will draw a circle passing through O and Q children. So this point we will get. So this is one tangent, this is another tangent. Similarly from here children we will draw tangent. Let us study actual construction. Children, this is 3 centimeter circle. We will draw one diameter. This is diameter. This diameter we will extend. Now children, here is the center O. OP we have done. OP equal to 7 centimeter. Now children, Q point we will find out. That would be also 7 centimeter. OQ. OQ is 7 centimeter. Now we will draw two circles. Now children, midpoint will be here somewhere. More than that, this much radius we take. One arc this way, down, from P, draw a line passing through these 2 points. Now children, you may get this arc somewhere here, here. It makes no difference children, don't worry about it. Okay. Now children, here I am changing this little bit more radius than you see from Q. So here I am getting arc. Here I am getting another arc. From O, here arc. Here arc children. So little bit more I have taken. So here you are getting one point. Here another point. Join them. Okay. So now children, N we got one midpoint from this side. M we got from here children. Now children, we draw this circle. So this circle cuts here point D, this point C. Now we will construct a circle, center M, radius OM. Children, center M, radius OM. Draw another circle. Okay. So now children, you can see that this point is B, this point is A. Join them. Q to C. Q to C. This is one tangent. Q to D. Another tangent. P to B. And A to P. Okay children. So now you can see that we have 4 tangents. This is first, second, third, fourth. So children, this is original circle. Through this circle, we have OP, AP1 tangent. So 4 tangents you can see in this figure. So by this way we have finished question number 3. Okay children, let us start fourth sum. Children, write down steps yourself. It is compulsory. Question number 4. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Children, here is a 5 cm circle. Okay. Now, here one angle is there. Construct this angle 120, children. Okay. And from these 2 points A and B, outside one point P is there, 2 tangents are there. This is the meaning, children. Okay. So, how to construct this? Let us understand, children. First, we will do one circle from any point. Suppose here we draw one radius. From this point, we do one arc. Radius, don't take any. જે સર્કલની રેડિયસ લીધી હોય ને એ જ રેડિયસ રાખવાની, પછી એ ચેન્જ નહીં કરવાની. 5 સેન્ટીમીટર લીધી છે તો એ પછી 5 સેન્ટીમીટરથી જ ચાલવાનું. પછી અહીંયા મળ્યા પછી બીજી રેડિયસ અહીંયાથી અહીંયા આને જોઈન્ટ કરી દો એટલે આ થઈ જશે 120 ચિલ્ડ્રન. ઓકે. પછી અહીંયા આગળ પરપેન્ડિક્યુલર કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરવાનું છે તો એ 90 ડિગ્રીનું કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન થશે. સમજો કે અહીંયા દેખાડું તો અહીંયાથી તમારે એક કટ લઈ અને અહીંયા આગળ તમારે બીજું કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન કરવાનું. તો લેટ અસ સ્ટડી one by one step, children. Now children, this is 5 centimeter circle. Draw radius. Now children, this you don't change. This is 5 centimeter arc. From this point, take one arc here. Take another arc here. Join them, children. This is another radius. Now children, this angle is 120, children. Okay, because we know that from here to here 60, from here to here another 60, so this angle is 120, children. Now children, here one point P outside we will find, so that this angle is 90. So here first we draw 90 degree here. How to draw? Let us see. Now children, don't take radius 5 centimeter. Reduce it from here. Draw one arc. Okay. From this point, 2 arc we will do. One here, another here, children. Okay. Now children, from these 2 points, we will draw one arc from here and from here. And children, we will join this. So this will give you 90 degree. Okay. So this is 90. You can see, children, I am just turning you. Okay. This is 90. Similarly, here also we will do 90. Pay attention, children. First pair of compass inside the circle. Draw one arc this way, children. Okay. From this point, one arc here. From this point, another arc. Now, children, from these 2 points, this side we do one arc. From this point, another arc. Now join this, children. So children, this angle is 120, this is 90. Children, see, let us see. You can see this way it is 90 and this is also 90. Children, if I turn the pages this way, so you can see this is also 90, children. Okay, 90 you can see. So now this is 120, this angle is 60 and we have obtained two tangents, children. This is one tangent, this is another tangent. So by this way we have constructed, children. It is asked that draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle 60. So here we have constructed 120. So this angle is must be 60. તો એ અહીંયા આગળ બંને ઇન્ક્લાઇન થયા એટલે કે બંને મેળ્યા. So this point P we are getting 60. So suppose we call it A. This is O. This is B. So angle APB is 60 constructed and two tangents also we have constructed, children. This is line touching the circle, single point. So this is tangent, this is also tangent. Children, steps of the construction, write down. Children, while writing the steps of the construction, here we have constructed 90. How we constructed that, all details not necessary. Next sum. So children, here we have finished up to question number 4. Now we will meet in next video for remaining 3 sums. Children, once again you do all these 4 construction, then only you can understand it. Okay children, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.